What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game F1 Manager 2023 on your PC. So what we are going to do, we are going to open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us. Now once you have done that, we are going to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website to download this game. So go to the Steam website. After that, search up the game F1 Manager 2023. Now if you scroll a little bit down, then you'll find out that this game is €54.99. After that, we are going to use the workaround to save ourselves a lot of money while downloading games online. So what you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. After that, you will be redirected to this webpage and you need to search for the same game, F1 Manager 2023. Now search for the game, and after that select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Once you have done that, you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green and you can select it. Now you will find out that this game is just €8.56 compared to the price on Steam of €54.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now if you purchase this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a Steam activation key to download this game through Steam on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!